Hey everyone, if you're seeing the updates are underway, please keep your computer on message and your Windows 11 system seems stuck. Keep watching. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix it. Typically, a Windows update shouldn't take more than 30 minutes, but it's good to give it about an hour just in case the update message resolves on its own. If it's been hours and it's still stuck, you'll need to force restart your PC. To do this, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until it shuts down, then turn it back on. Once your computer restarts, head to your desktop. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for Settings. Click on the Settings app that appears. In the search bar on the left side of the Settings window, type in Troubleshoot. This will bring up a drop-down list where you can select Troubleshoot settings. Next, go to Other Troubleshooters, and under this section, click on Run next to Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will scan for any issues related to updates and attempt to fix them automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to see if this resolves the problem. If it doesn't, don't worry, let's move on to the next solution. Go back to the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, we're going to run a few commands to stop some services. First, type in netstop waserv and hit Enter. Next, enter netstop crypts and hit Enter, then type netstop bits and press Enter. Lastly, input netstop server and hit Enter. Now that these services are stopped, close the command prompt and open File Explorer. Go to your C drive, then open the Windows folder. Scroll down and find a folder named Software Distribun. Right-click on the Software Distribun folder and rename it to Software Distribution.old. If you're prompted for permission, click Continue. Once renamed, you can close the folder and open the command prompt again. Run it as an administrator just like before. Now we'll restart the services we stopped earlier. Enter these commands one by one: netstart waserv, netstart crypts, netstart bits, netstart server. Once all services are restarted, close the command prompt window and check if the update issue is resolved. If you're still stuck, I have another solution. Head back to the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator again. This time, type in DISM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health and press Enter. This will check for any issues with your system files. Let this process complete. It's important to wait until it's done. After it finishes, type in the next command sfc scano and press Enter. Again, let the verification process run until it reaches 100%. These steps should repair any missing or corrupted files. If the issue persists even after these steps, your last option is to reset your PC. Go back to the Start menu, search for Settings and open it. Click on System from the left, scroll down and select Recovery, then click on Reset this PC. You'll have the option to keep my files, which will preserve your personal data but remove any third-party applications you installed. You'll need to reinstall those apps after the reset. This step should only be used as a last resort, so if all else fails, go ahead and select Keep My Files, then choose Local Reinstall. After the reset is complete, your computer should no longer have update issues. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and good luck!